It's a beautiful sunny day here in the Bay Islands of Honduras, which is a marked contrast to the events that occurred 1 week ago. Yes, it was 1 week ago today that the islands were inundated with rain, which caused flooding, unfortunately. So as we look around the property today, you can see that the sun and breeze have been working to dry things out. Now we still have a little mud here and there, but that will soon be gone. What I'd like to do is take you back to that fateful day when the rains came and the floods rose and the animals started to line up 2 by 2 looking for a large boat. Now at one point the water in the yard was so deep that it was up over Jerry's boot tops, and that was knee-high to him almost. Even though this was pretty bad at our house, we know people who had much more water come into their place than what we had. Unfortunately, we don't have any great video shots of all of this being cleaned up. That's because the principal parties involved were doing that, cleaning up. We are back to normal here. I mean, we still have some mud here and there and some standing water, but that'll be gone soon. The sun is out, the wind is blowing, and things are drying up. So thanks for watching, and we certainly invite you back to this same channel, the Roatan Express, for future events as they unfold right here on Roatan in the Bay Islands of Honduras.